Real X Trailers picking up the cat trailer. It's custom built. Got it up on the lift. There it is. Hey everybody, so we picked the trailer up and we brought it back to Stuart. So I'm gonna take a quick walk around the trailer and kind of show you everything that came with it, and then this week we're going to take it down to the boat ramp and switch out trailers, and I'll be posting the other one for sale, get some money back. But now we got a brand new trailer, so check this out. All right. So this is a Real X custom built trailer. It's for their 23-foot catamaran trailer. So it's got the center bunks, torsion axles, little torsion axle. We've got some glide-on pieces that are starboard. Diamond plate aluminum. So it's all aluminum I-beam frame. Diamond plate aluminum fenders, new wheels, everything, all the lights are LED. So all the lights are LED lights. We've got the poles that we have to mount once we get the boat on to find out why they need to be actually mount in there. So they leave them out. I didn't have the boat with us, so you just slide them in there and tighten them up. Then coming around the side, and then we've got the forward bunk, so that'll hold. And then I had this ladder added. This is a custom add-on piece. So you can climb up the front of the bow, get on the boat, on the dock or whatever, while you're docking. Best part of this trailer right here. 100% made in the USA with all USA pieces. All the aluminums cast in the United States, all the pieces, lights, everything are USA parts. That's all they use. So that's kind of their claim to fame, that it's all 100% USA made trailer. So that's the trailer, guys. So we'll be switching out and putting it on this brand new 2019 Real X R23C catamaran trailer.